Hey guys, we're gonna go live here. 9:14 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Got our list for the mini here. Need a 2 dice roll, 5 or higher. It's actually my first time doing it on the desktop. So whoever's top 2 after 5 are our winners. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and last round, top 2. Good luck, guys. Paul in spot 2 and Jeremy in spot 7. Congrats, guys. There's our verification code. Timestamp 9:16:01 a.m. How the hell does that work? I'm confused. This is my first desktop try here. Why does this say 9:15 and this says 9:16? Well, they're done. 9:16 a.m. Not sure what's going on with that, guys. If anybody has any issues, let me know. It's clearly live, so I don't see any problem with this. I think it's valid and legit. So